Okay. What'd you do? Did you taste it? Does that look like a piece of broccoli? Uh-oh. You better go pick that up right now. Remember the rules. What are the rules?
No for pudding.
The Play-Doh has to stay on the towel or the trash bags. You promised.
We don't want to get the Play-Doh.
We don't want Luna to get the Play-Doh, do we? Because she's a cat.
Yeah, because she'll get sick. But I get sick when she eats Play-Doh. But I got it.
Yeah, you did. Thank you.
And Luna will get sick. But I got this Play-Doh.
Yeah, you did. So what are you going to make, Abby?
A Play-Doh for her.
Oh.
It's a playground.
Is that a playground, a green playground?
It's a Disney playground. Thank you. And it's the people. This can be the back of their house. And we need to cut. It's the people. Okay. Amy, can you make these into people?
I'll try.